In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the signing area in DocuSign. We'll start by opening DocuSign and heading to the home page. Once you're there, look for the Start option. Depending on what your screen shows, you may either select Start directly or choose from one of the other available options on the page. For this walkthrough, go ahead and click Get Signatures to begin preparing a document for signing. After that, the Setup Envelope page will load. This is where you prepare the file and define who needs to receive it. Click Upload, then choose the source of your file. Once you've selected the location, pick the document you want to send. Make sure it's the correct version before moving forward, since this is the file where the signing area will be placed. Next, click Add Recipients. From there, select the recipient or recipients who will be involved in signing the document. You'll also want to confirm their action type by clicking Needs to Sign. This tells DocuSign that this recipient is expected to sign, not just receive a copy or review the file. If needed, you can also add a message. This can be useful for giving quick context or instructions to the recipient before they open a document. When everything looks good, click Next, Add Fields. The document page will then load, and this is the most important part for setting the signing area. On the left or within the available field tools, click Signature. Then drag and drop the signature field onto the correct place in the document. Take your time here and place it carefully in the exact location where the signer should sign. Proper placement helps avoid confusion and makes the signing process much smoother for the recipient. Once you've positioned the signature field, you can click Preview. The preview page lets you see how the document will appear to the signer, which is a great way to double check that the signature area is clear, aligned properly, and assigned as expected. If everything looks right, click the X to close the preview and return to editing. At this point, you have two options. If you're ready, you may send the document right away. If not, you can choose to save and close for now. To do that, click Save and Close. The document will then be saved to your drafts. From the drafts area, you can come back later, update the envelope, or add more documents by clicking Continue. And that's it. That's how to set the signing area in DocuSign quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.